Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video was actually sponsored by Yebo. I'm actually going to be doing a product demonstration of their hair that they actually sent me on some goddess locks. So if you want to keep watching, stay tuned.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so you
Alright, so today I'm here to do a demonstration on some goddess locks and some hair, model hair that I have as well. I'm going to create like a little bohemian like lock style, but a little bit different mashup compared to my other, infamous goddess locks that I have, the bohemian locks that I have. But as stated, this is actually sponsored by Yebo. They actually sent me this hair. Oh, there we go. They sent 6 packs of hair in their goddess locks, and this is what their locks looks like. I believe it's about 20 inches. It has the little the manipulated ends, of the goddess hair as well. And there are 6 packs in each, 6 packs altogether that comes in the hair. They also sent me some clips, which I definitely need these for my hair because I don't have any more of these to hold my hair back. So thank God for these. A cute little mirror for little selfies and little makeup tutorials. And as you can see, my makeup is done right now. My friend actually did my makeup earlier, so I'm sorry if I looked overly dramatic today, but she actually did my makeup this morning to be her little makeup muse. Anyways, they also sent me some hair clips, and I do have some more that I'll be installing with the hair along with the yarn and stuff, so let's just keep going. Alright, so when I take the locks out of the package, this is what they look like. Just come in a little strand like that. They're still wavy, which is really cute. And they have that, I think I got them in the color T4133, I don't remember. But it has like a 33 or a 30 color at the bottom, and it goes into the 4. And like I said, I'll be using I want to add a little bit of like more bohemian flair to it. So I got the Model Glance corkscrew braid in the color 4, and I'm actually going to be doing twists and locks mixed together. Alright, so as you can see, I'm going to be doing individuals in the front just to get that seamless look, and the rest of it is going to be in crochet in the back because I don't have time to be doing individuals for the whole head because this just takes so much time and I don't have time today. But the back is just in circle braids. I don't know if you can see, it's just a circle, and we're just going to do probably 2 rows of individuals in the front. Alright, so I've installed a few of the locks, and as I said, I'm doing like a different type of bohemian type lock style, I'm actually incorporating the hair like this with the lock. So as stated, I'm using the corkscrew curl. I separate it just a little bit like that, just to get it uniform, like that. And see how it's like that? I'm going to split the hair and just use one piece. I believe the hair is actually 20 inches, so that actually helps out to make it long enough where it can be around the same length as the goddess locks. And as you can see, I did one of them, and it has like this wavy type texture when I twist it. Now I'll just show you how I do that real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and crochet the hair like normal. I'm going to loop it one time like that. Now you're just left with a piece of hair like that. So by leaving it like that, we're actually going to twist it. So we take the, what is this called? The corkscrew, I believe. And we're just going to 2-strand twist on down. Okay. Look, my earring falling out. Good together, Sarah. Get it together. Got it like that. And we're just going to twist. We're going to twist one piece of the hair and twist. We're not going to do 2 twisting because it'll just keep it too straight. So we're going to twist 1, twist, twist. And after you get done twisting, your left foot, how it curls back up like that, and twist. Thing about it, doesn't even look like a twist, but it's in there. So we have the locks and some of the Kinky curly Kinky twist installed. I don't know if y'all can see that really. I'm gonna probably put more in the front so you can see those, but you know, it's a different goddess kinky look. It basically gives like some texture. You can see that right there, some texture and stuff with it. So of course in the front I am doing individuals, so that way you won't see the cornrows like the other ones. And you can definitely check out my other Bohemian Loc tutorial once again to get more of an in-depth explanation of how of how I did that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and first oil my edges with some jojoba oil, because I kind of have thinning edges a little bit from wearing so many crochets and just first of me not taking care of my hair. So now I'm just trying to get, you know, my hair back to its normal length and edges of what it used to be. So it stank, but we're gonna take some of the oil, get that in there. And I have my own shea butter I made that has different oils and stuff in it as well. So we're just gonna keep my ends moisturized. I'll just put a little bit of that on my hair right now to keep that moisturized as well with the hair.
Walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a soul. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
Alright, so I'm slowly finishing the individuals. As you can see, I have some like little kinky curly piece twists. You can see my hair coming through that. I'm going to retwist that one. But I have that going on along with the dreads just to kind of get that different little kinky bohemian look that I really like. And it's actually turning out cute because this was just a random thought I had in my head. And I actually like it so far. So I'm almost done. So I gotta finish this last piece and we'll decorate and show the final results. Alright, so the overall hair is done. This is what it looks like. As you can see, I got some of the twists in there and some of the locks as well. Overall, I could definitely say I like this hair a lot from the Yebo collection. That's really my honest opinion. The locks are a little shiny, but as far as when it comes to unraveling the hair and wrapping it and a lot of other stuff, it actually did pretty well. Would I recommend this hair? Yeah, you know, just like any other, you know, your crochet hair that you have with the locks and everything. So this is definitely a brand and a hair I would definitely recommend. Alright, so if you like this hairstyle, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You can also purchase the hairstyle or this hair, the locks actually, in the link below. Just click on that link below. Don't forget to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag sauce, you